How to disable sharing posts from Facebook to Instagram. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to stop sharing posts from your Facebook to your Instagram account. First of all, go and open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Now go to this settings. After you open setting, now scroll to down and tap on this see more in account center. In this section, now tap on this sharing across profile. So now select Facebook. After you select your Facebook, now as you can see now here it says sharing across profile, share from, that's from your Facebook, share to, that's share to your Instagram. All you have to do now, come and turn off this option. Here it says share your post, so turn off this option. So now as you can see now I turn off, I stop now sharing my post from Facebook to Instagram. This is how to stop sharing posts from Facebook to Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.